Here we have a pair of Bryant air conditioners running. They appear to both be heat pumps. Yeah, this one's a heat pump, and this one's definitely a heat pump as well. On the package unit, the model number 60. Oh, and the package unit just shut down. I'm gonna let you watch the fan. I'm gonna let the fan spin down for a minute. But on the package unit, the model number is 607CNXA36000ABTP. Serial number is 5309C40028. So this is a 2009 Bryant. I'm gonna let this focus here. And the other Bryant, the serial number is 1704E01314, and the model number is 633GJ024-A, which means that this one is a 2004 Bryant. This one's slightly older. So yeah, I'm gonna let this focus. Here we have a 2009 and a 2004 Bryant. The 2009 just shut down. The 2004 is currently running. They're both heat pumps. Over and out.